Is a hearing test hard to do?
I am glad you asked because some patients are a little bit apprehensive about coming in for a hearing test, and it's not hard to do, nor does it hurt in any way. So we're going to just walk through it with one of our team members, Laura. So follow me. So what we usually do is provide our patient with this little clicker that they press nice and firmly when they hear a tone, and then we either can use a headset on their ears or comfortable little earbuds. I'm going to show you how these ones work. So we'll just clip this onto her lovely dress here on either side. There we go. And we put these little earbuds right into her ear. There's different sizes for different ears. How does that feel, Laura?
Good.
Good.
Nice and comfortable.
Good. All right. There we go. That's all there is to it. Then we close up the door, and you'll see we have a nice glass window here at Mount Royal, so she can actually look out the window while she's doing her test, and she'll hear me through my headset. So if there's any problems or any questions, I'll hear her.